右盼，就像个小孩，此刻心跳你明不明白？没了节拍。
Before we jump to the video, welcome to Tita Eda's channel, giving you the best tips, tricks, government tutorials, and government information so we can be updated together. If this is the content or if this is the kind of content that you like, please consider subscribing. Kindly click the like, subscribe button and notification bell so you'll not miss any of our latest video episodes. So let's start. Anong dapat nating malaman tungkol sa COVID-19 alert level system dito sa NCR? Tama po, ngayon ay lockdown pa rin dito sa Metro Manila at according sa IATF or Interagency Task Force ay merong 5 alert level sa bansa. So merong alert level 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and currently po sa NCR nasa alert level 4 po tayo. At according sa DOH places, 37 areas po ang under alert level 4. At sa Metro Manila po, ang mga kasama ay ang Las Piñas, Muntinlupa, Pateros, Quezon City, Taguig, Malabon, Makati, at San Juan po. So ito po ang mga lugar na under alert level 4. At ganun din po sa Cordillera, sa Apayao, Baguio City, Benguet, Ilocos Region, Cagayan Valley, Central Luzon, Calabarzon, Western Visayas, Central Visayas. At dahil nga po alert 4 po tayo, ng curfew hours ng General Community Quarantine or GCQ with alert level 4 starting po ngayon is alas 10 ng gabi hanggang alas 4 ng madaling araw. So ang mga APORs, workers, cargo, vehicles, and public transportation however shall not be restricted by such curfew. So tandaan, ito po ang bagong oras ng curfew hours para po wag po tayong malito mga guys. At dahil alert level 4 po tayo, ito ang mga pwedeng gawin. So alfresco dine-in, 30% capacity, indoor dine-in, 10% but for fully vaccinated customers only. So yun nga po, kailangan dala-dala nyo yung vaccination card para po ipakita to just in case gusto nyo mag-indoor dine-in. Tapos personal care service such as barbershops and beauty salons, 30% capacity if outdoor, 10% capacity for indoor, and then religious gatherings naman po, 30% capacity if outdoor, 10% capacity for indoor but for fully vaccinated customers. And then Under alert level 4, ang di pwede or bawal is bawal lumabas ang below 18 years old at above 65 years old, lalo na po yung may mga comorbidities. Pumunta po sa mga museums, internet cafe, billiard hall, arcades, bowling alley, and similar venues. At ganun din po, bawal pa din ang face-to-face classes. Ganun din ang casino and other gambling venues. At yun pong necrological service. So for those who dies of cause other than COVID, bawal po ito. And then social events, and then indoor sports, bawal din po. So ngayong alert level 4 po under GCQ, movement of persons within, into and out of the granular lockdown area is only health workers and non-health personal worker in hospitals, laboratory, and dialysis facilities and uniformed personnel tasked to enforce the granular lockdown shall be allowed to move within, into, and out of the area under granular lockdown. So the following shall be allowed to enter or exit granular lockdown areas for special reasons. So OFWs leaving the country or returning to their residence, and then residents who wish to enter their homes under granular lockdown, and then individuals under exceptional circumstances, such as those seeking urgent medical attention validated by the city officer, and then for food and essential items for delivery, provided they can only be unloaded at border collection points designated by the LGU. So ito lang po ang movement na pwede po, just in case po kayo po ay ma-assign yung lugar nyo maging granular lockdown area po. So ayun na nga po guys, reminder lang the reason why we have this new alert level under COVID-19 dito sa Metro Manila starting today is because nag-surge po kasi ang number of cases ng COVID-19 at napaka-critical po, lahat po halos na mga hospitals po is full capacity na po or almost occupied na po. Kaya po ito ipina-implement na hopefully po is mabawasan ang cases in the next coming week. So 2 weeks po tatagal ang alert 4. So from September 16 to September 30 po tatagal ang lockdown na ito. So I hope and pray po sa bawat isa sa atin guys, sa bawat isa't isa na maging safe po sa lahat po, especially po ang ating mga seniors po. Ingat po talaga sa inyo po lagi. And yun na nga po, I hope nakatulong po ako, nakapagbigay po sa inyo ng karagdagang impormasyon tungkol po sa alert level na to about sa COVID-19. Thank you.
So ayan mga guys, if you find this video very helpful at nagustuhan mo itong video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng videos na aking i-upload. Thank you ulit sa pag-tune in nyo sa aking channel. Again, this is Tita Eda. If you have questions and you want information, just visit Tita Eda's channel. Continue to be a blessing and stay safe.